George Jetsons from the future. Here we go, there's the beginning of his hair, right there. I like it. Just like that. And it comes down like that. And there's his ear. And then his neck goes down like that. Very good. Finish the hair like that. Give him a bit of a curly clue right there. Curly Q, I should say. There we go. There's his forehead. This is looking nice. Bring it down a little bit more. And let's give him a bit of a nose here. George has got quite the nose. Right like that. There we go. And then he's got a good lip here. Just goes like that. Come around, give him a big old smile. That's nice. Let's bring this down like that. There we go. Give him a tongue. A little bit of a chin there. That looks nice. Here's the other side of his face there. And we'll bring that down like that. Looking good, everybody. George has got to have a bit of a beard, so we'll just do this. Give him a funny little bit there. That's the bottom of his eyes. Eye number 1 and number 2. He's got some eyebrows here. We'll have him looking right at us, just like that. I like that. Looking good, everybody. Now George has got a space suit on, or a future suit anyway. Give him a bit of a funny collar here. There we go. All pointy like. There we go, that's nice. Bring his belly down like this. Right around like that. Looking good, everybody. Now let's bring this arm here like this. Elbow inside of the arm here like this. And we'll have his hands leaning against his hip. 1, 2, 3 fingers. And a thumb here. Just like that. There we go. And there's the bit of his hand there. And we'll toss his sleeve off like that. All right, everybody. Now we can bring the rest of his body down like that, meeting up with his hand on his hip. There's this bit of a bum for him. And now we can draw his legs right here like this. Boot number 1 coming up like that. Very good. And let's draw the second leg here like this. We'll have this shoe going out like that. And right around. Very nice, everybody. This is looking nice. Have his boots round off like that up there. And George has got some funny squirrely screws around here on his legs, just for fun. Let's do that. And then the same over here on this leg. Very nice. This is looking good, everybody. I like this. Give him some texture on his boots here like this. Very nice. All right, let's give George a belt. There we go. And a little buckle here. I like it. Maybe some texture on his shirt there, just like that. And we can bring his other arm here like this. As if he's got this arm down on his side there like that too. There we go. Little bit of fingers here just like that so we know it's there. All right, everybody, we're looking good. It's George Jetson from the future. Let's get to the color. Light skin. Orange hair. Pink tongue. Green belt. Blue pants. Black eyes and mouth. Thanks, everyone.